Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have a fantastic Born Pretty stamping plate to be showing you today, and I thought I would create a design to give you some inspiration on how you could use this plate. And obviously I'll be swatching some of the images off that to create this design. So you do want to remove the blue protective film before stamping, like so, which is really easy to do. And I just think this has got some really cute designs on it, and obviously there is some layering options as well. So I'm started off and I've applied a black polish. I've used this Kiki London gel polish and it's called Blackpool, and I've applied 2 coats of this. Then I've also gone ahead and applied the Kiki London No White matte top coat and cured underneath the lamp. So the first image I'm going to be creating is this sun image. So I'm going to sort of blend 2 colours together. So I've got like a peachy orangey colour and a yellow. And I'm just going to scrape this now, and it just blends the colours nicely together. You can see that's picked up lovely, and place this onto the nail. Obviously, because I'm stamping on black, it might not always be as pigmented, so I did go ahead and do this again off camera just to sort of make it that little bit more pigmented. Then moving on, I'm going to be putting this sun, obviously the outline of it, onto it as well, which I just think looks really striking, especially against the black base. It really sort of makes those colours pop. So hopefully you can see that there. And then I'm going to kind of do like, this is meant to be like it's on water. So this is obviously the reflection of the sun shining on the water. But what I loved about this design is that it was just very, very simple. And, you know, there's no filling in of, stamping images. You are just using the images that you've got and layering it up. So, you know, there isn't any advanced stamping where, you know, you would fill things in. I mean, obviously you can do that, and that is an option, but I just love the simplicity of it. Yeah, and I haven't done many sort of like Chinese inspired nail designs as well, so that's what prompted me to get the plate and obviously do a Chinese themed mani. As you can see, I'm not having any issue with the pickup. Obviously, with the, images that have got really fine lines, you do want to be working quick with that because the stamping polish will dry quickly. Obviously, because there isn't that much of it there in the first place, if that makes any sense. So, yeah, so it's not something that you sort of hang about. You want to just, stamp it and get it on the nail as quick as possible. So it transfers properly. So that's it, that's the next nail all done. And now I'm going to create, obviously, the look like they're in the water. I have received some other Born Pretty items as well, so you'll be seeing that over, the next few weeks of videos. So make sure you stay tuned for those. But I do love Born Pretty products. I've used them for years now. I think it's 4 years, and they very, very, very rarely disappoint. And if I'm not completely happy with an item, then I do let you know that in my reviews. But I've been really happy with this plate, and I look forward to using it more and more and creating a different sort of Chinese inspired mani with it as well. But can you just see how very, very simply, just by layering up the images, that you kind of get this almost like landscape look going on. I'm just going to add some clouds now just to finish it off. And that's that nail done. And then finally I'm just going to take this image, which again is, mountain tops and things like that. So I'd love to know your thoughts about this mani. I'm saying it a lot at the moment, but I really appreciate the feedback. If you would recreate this mani, then you can tag me in at Gelulicious. I would love to see your recreations, but just let me know what you think. I really love this and the end look of this. I love how the colour pops against the dark base as well. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me out these items. And if you haven't done so already, please press that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.